Well, it's another day and more work to do. I have decided to do a test fit. So I'm going to put the axles temporarily back on and the wheels and just do a test fit to make sure everything actually fits, because if it doesn't, now is a good time to reposition stuff. So let's do that now. Well, that seems to fit really well, so it turns out my measurements worked. I have allowed 90mm of clearance as the springs. That's all about the trouble I have. So yeah, she's beaut. There's a few spots I never quite got to with the rust paint stuff, so I'm going to clean it up with some terps, and I've been taking it with a wire brush and a nail, and I'll give them a coat in preparation to paint the whole thing in a nice top coat. So the rainy weather has been holding me up a little bit from doing the painting, but once I'm done, I will be painting these up and then mounting them in permanently. Well, the sun has come out and I think it's now warm enough to do the final top coat on these, so here we go. So it's the next day and the springs are all nice and dry. They've been hanging inside out of the rain. I came across a few bolts that wouldn't do up. And the thread's just a bit goopy. I'm going to clean these up with a tap and die. There we go, that's a bit better. I drilled 3 holes in the bottom of the axle to have any water drain in case any ever gets inside. It's great to have the wheels back on. I can now wheel the thing about, have fun. I can even hook it on, take it for a drive. Novel, using it as a trailer. Anyway, next week I'm going to get back to some welding, so join me then. Thanks.